Is Windows failing to load because of the Speech Library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. Get the professional speech library fix you need by accessing the utility linked in the description. This is the Speech Library, the Speech API, SAPI Helper Library. It manages the localized, unmanaged localized text-to-speech, TTS, and localized voice recognition, localized routines for localized accessibility, and localized voice command shims. With that context in mind, our first logical step is a clean reinstallation. Unlike system-wide DLLs, Speech Library DLL is unique to the localized speech orchestration logic environment, and reinstalling your specific software, giving the error from its official source, is the only verified method to repair a broken file reference. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system's startup environment. A quick system restart is a practical way to ensure that all shared libraries, including Speech Library, are being loaded correctly into the current session's memory. To keep this tutorial handy, make sure to bookmark it, or hit like button before you reboot. It saves you from having to look for the video again once you're back online. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry, we have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the library remains missing, you should manually clear the program's cache and then download the latest build from the developer's website. Removing the old application data before running the new setup ensures that your DLL file is correctly placed in the root directory without interference from legacy files. Why are we doing this? Well, many applications will try to use existing local data even after a reinstall, and manually clearing the folders forces the software to establish a fresh connection to its dependencies. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. The versions of Speech Library DLL found on generic download sites are often compiled for legacy hardware, which can lead to excessive CPU cycles or kernel-level crashes on modern systems. Managing these dependencies can be streamlined by using a specialized diagnostic utility to monitor your system state. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Speech Library. I'm Sophie Chen. We are dedicated to providing clear, safe paths to PC repair, including Speech Library dependencies. Subscribe to support our technical mission.